In this lesson, we're going to look at a sound effect that only happens once throughout the piece, and that's at bar 83. Now, this piece isn't written in the score, but it's one of those things that Edexcel will be expecting to hear. If you want to gain the higher marks, they want to hear that you've heard this piece and that you've found an appropriate sound and you've manipulated it and got the appropriate sound for that. So, bar 83, this one sound, now I've got it pitched at C2. It's quite a difficult sound effect to come up with. If I just play you the track and see what you think. And it's that kind of gliding downward thing. Let me just play it one more time. And let me play you what I have so far, and I'll show you how this has been created. Now at this point, I just want to say a special thanks to Ramsey Johnson, who's actually kind of found me this sound and said, hey, this works really well. Before he kind of helped me out with this, I was looking at all different kinds of ways of manipulating this with varying success, but this one is by far the most accurate sound. So here's the one that we have. As you can hear, it's really nice. There's a couple of flutters on the delay that I'm not massively happy with. We can probably turn that off, to be fair. Let's just have another listen without the delay. And that's probably a little bit more accurate. How we've achieved this: firstly, we've had to use a pitch bend, and we've had to control the pitch bend in the ES2 unit itself. So if I double click on the ES2 unit, and this is where it's happening here, a pitch range of 24, which is 2 octaves up or down. So when you hit the pitch bend and you hit it all the way down to the bottom, that's giving you a 2 octave fall down, and that's where you're getting that glide where it goes zoom. Okay, so that's where that's happening. Without that pitch bend, it sounds like this. Okay, with the pitch bend, it sounds like this. Okay, so that's how that's happening. A nice little pitch bend, and you can draw it as a straight line, or you can play it in as it's done here. The only other things that we've changed on this particular instrument are just a few of the envelope shaping, just to kind of make it a bit more accurate. But the sound is where it's really interesting. So it's called FM Start, and you can come down to the tutorial settings, or you can do a search for it, either which, and then here it is, FM Start. And once again, the only settings that have been changed here are the pitch bend range and just a few of the envelope 2 and envelope 3 settings. So that's pretty much all I have to say about that piece. Get that bit in, and we'll move on to the vocals next.